Dear learner, from this lecture we are going to create rebar, or we are going to detailing our beam, column, slab, foundation. And in Revit, actually we are able to detail manually. See, when you come in a structure, then they have an option reinforcement, and in this step you will be able to create a detailing manually, okay, by using this option. So how we'll create this option to draw anything or to draw any reinforcement here? That playlist given in our description, okay? So please go there and you'll be able to find that option. For this, actually for this option you will get a tutorial series. Now if you want to use any automatic Rebar extension for Autodesk Revit, then you'll be able to do it. And actually this automatic Rebar extension that will help you very much to complete your all tasks very quickly. Now how we'll do it? So first of all, you need this product actually, right? First of all, go to Google, search Revit Rebar extension, and here in Revit, in Autodesk actually, you will get many types of extension. So they have an option Cats Rebar extension for Autodesk Revit, okay, and it's telling us it's free. So I'll right click here, I'll click open link in new tab, and here we can see actually this is a trial version, okay. So first of all, create account in Autodesk, then click here download, and simply by clicking right click, install it. Also different version of Revit 21, 23, 20, 25, 22, the software is available actually, okay. So if you click here also in Revit, and here you will get many extension for your Revit software. If I click here Rebar, see they have many option available. Some are paid, some are free. So select one of them and start detailing. I am using Naviate Rebar Extension 2022 because as an educator, I have access to Autodesk product from available Autodesk product. And also here you can see Naviate Rebar Extension 2022, that is free for Revit 2022. So if you are using Revit 2022, then you can download it from here and simply right click. After downloading, right click and install it, and it will be added in your Revit software automatically. Also you can go and if you go bottom, see Cats Rebar Extension, okay, and this is also available from 19 to 25. So if you want to use any of that version as a trial, then you are welcome to use it. Actually they have many extension. If we go to 2, they have many extension. So as per your requirement, you can download it. Some extension are free, some extension are paid. So I am requesting you to download any of them and practice with it, and select the suitable one. And if you think that it is okay for you, then go for purchasing. You are also welcome to purchase it from that website. So in this season, I'm using Revit 2022 with Naviate Rebar Extension 2022, and it's free from Autodesk and also from Naviate Extension. Clear? So now we'll go for our work, and I hope here you'll be able to find out your software. Okay, so let's start.